Shalom! Welcome to Cooking with Chaya. Today we are going to make meatball and arugula soup. First, I put just water to be boiled. In the meantime, I'm putting the cilantro with salt and water to be cleaned. While the cilantro in the water, I'm going to put in the food processor a medium-sized potato. I'm keeping my meatballs gluten-free. I'm adding a medium-sized onion, after washing very thoroughly the cilantro, I'm adding it as well. Now when everything is grounded, I'm putting it into around 1.5 pound ground beef. You also can use turkey. I'm adding 1 egg, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, half a spoon of cinnamon, half a spoon of nutmeg, a spoon of Baharat. And now I'm making meatballs and I put them in and I let them cook for about 25 minutes. Adding 1 tablespoon Consomme powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon Hawaij marak, Hawaij for soup. Hawaij, as I say in some other videos, it's a mix of spices, Yemenite spices. There is in it turmeric, cumin, Baharat, it's a mix, and a little bit of salt. And now I let it cook for about 25 minutes. While the soup is cooking, I'm cleaning the arugula also from bugs. I soak it in salt water. In my family, people love the arugula, and also the arugula is shrinking a lot, so I'm putting 2 packages of arugula. I'm taking 3 carrots. I peel them. I slice them very thin in the slicer. And now I'm adding the arugula and let it cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat. The whole cooking was done on medium heat the whole time. I'm adding the carrots and let it cook for 5 more minutes. To make it a whole meal, I'm putting in a different pot 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat for a little bit on a medium heat. I'm making orzo. Orzo is a kind of pasta that while people eating the soup, they will add right before they eating. So we're not adding it to the soup, we're adding it to the plate. I'm mixing the orzo with the oil. I'm adding boiling water, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 teaspoon of salt, half of tablespoon of paprika, half of tablespoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of cumin. And the secret with Orzo is the consistent mixing. I'm cooking it open until all the water are gone, and then we can add it to the soup. The Orzo is ready, and you can tell it's cooked well, it's soft, there is no water, ready to serve. And the serving suggestion is I'm taking a little bit of Orzo and adding the soup with some meatballs and carrots and arugula, and here you go, ready to serve. Thank you and enjoy.